faces. Not anymore. The village is quiet now. The doors hang open. The hearts are cold. They left in the night. No screams, no struggle, just absence. Fools. They thought the woods were empty, that the stones in the fields did not watch. But the earth remembers. It drinks deep. It takes back what was stolen. The hollow ones walk again, bone white, silent, smiling. They do not speak. They do not stop. They do not leave tracks, but they leave space where people used to be. A child laughed in the morning. By dusk, the house was empty. A woman hummed a song by the river. By night, only ripples remained. They do not take, they replace. The faces in the mirror, are they yours, or were they ever? The road bends in ways it did not yesterday. The stars are watching.